Electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, as it is clear from the name. Electrophilic, that means electrophile is there. Aromatic, that means it is for aromatic system. And substitution, that means some substitution takes place. So in electrophilic aromatic substitution, an aromatic compound is attacked by an electrophile and it results in substitution of hydrogen. Hydrogen is already present in the aromatic system. So any other group can substitute the hydrogen from the aromatic system by this type of reactions. Electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction is a two-step reaction, and in the first step is slow and rate determining step, where the electrophile forms a sigma bond to the benzene ring. When the electrophile forms a sigma bond with the benzene ring, it generates a positively charged rhenium ion intermediate. Here in the first step you can see that these three structures are for the rhenium ion intermediate, and due to the resonance, the rhenium ion can be formed in the three different structures. So all three structures are resonating structures. So the rhenium ion formed exists in the three different type of resonance forms, and rhenium, that means AR, is a generic name for the aromatic. We use generally AR for the aromatic system. In the second step is a fast step, and in this step the proton, or you can say hydrogen, is removed from the intermediate which is rhenium ion. So from the rhenium ion the hydrogen is removed, and this will give a substituted benzene. This is the substituted benzene where the electrophile is replaced the hydrogen. So this is the overall electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, and this electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction is also shown by this animation. Effects of substituent on reactivity and orientation. In case of benzene, the electrophile can attack on any carbon of the benzene. But if any substituent is present on the benzene, as in case of toluene, phenol, etc., if any substituent is already present on the benzene, then these substituent may direct the electrophile to attack on a particular positions in the benzene ring. So the nature of the group which is already attached to the aromatic ring, that is in case of toluene CH3 or in case of phenol OH group, this will certainly affect the orientation of the future substitution. These groups are divided into the two types. Which groups? Which are already present in the benzene ring. So if these groups are present on the benzene ring, these groups can be divided into two types. First is activating groups. Activating groups cause the aromatic ring to be more active. That means in presence of activating group, the reaction is better. So these groups activate the aromatic ring for the electrophilic substitution reaction, and these groups are electron releasing groups. Usually electron releasing groups activate the ring toward the further reaction. Second type is deactivating groups. These groups cause aromatic ring to be less reactive. In that case, the substitution reaction is not as easy as in case of the activating groups. So most of the electron withdrawing groups, those groups which are having tendency to withdraw the electrons, usually deactivate the benzene ring. So we can divide the substituent in two types: activating, deactivating, electron releasing, electron withdrawing. In case of activating, these groups are electron releasing groups. In case of deactivating, these groups are electron withdrawing groups. Here some common electron withdrawing and electron releasing groups are given. You can find the name of the groups in this table. And also these groups direct the further substitution, like if we are talking about the electron releasing groups. So as you know that the electron releasing group activates the benzene ring for the electrophilic substitution reaction, and you can see here that if the electron releasing group is present here, it will give electron density, it will give rise the accumulation of electron density in ortho and para position. This position is known as ortho position and this position is known as para position. So if electron releasing group is present on the benzene ring, the concentration of negative charge is on ortho and para side. And if these positions are having electron density, so obviously the electrophile will preferably attack on these positions. So these activating groups are also known as ortho-para directors. Similarly, if electron withdrawing group is present on the benzene ring, it will give rise to a positive charge density on the ortho and para position. So obviously the electrophile will attack on meta position only, because electrophile will not attack on the positive charge density. So in electron withdrawing group case, if the electron withdrawing group is there, the electrophile will attack on the carbon at meta position, and if electron releasing group is present on the benzene ring, in that case the electrophile will attack on the ortho and para position. So activating groups or electron releasing groups are ortho-para directors, and electron withdrawing groups or deactivating groups are meta directors. Only the difference is in case of the halides. Halogens are exceptions, and halogens are ortho-para directors. Although the halogens are electron withdrawing groups, but they are ortho-para directors because they have lone pair of electrons that are shared with the aromatic ring.